Good morning, good morning. We're showing you how to farm Paradex, Extended and Pacifica in the most efficient way possible. And today we have some really interesting results. We've done $155,000 worth of volume on Paradex, and we've done that at a cost of $4.72. We've done increasingly good results across all of the exchanges. So let's have a look at the data. So over the last 24 hours, we've actually done $159,000, on Paradex, and we've done that at a cost per million of $34. This is ridiculously good. If you can get below $100, chef's kiss. We're also doing it with 1,741 fills, which means that our orders are getting filled properly. Very few of them are getting cancelled, which is really a really good sign of the efficiency of the bot. So let's have a quick look at the bot configs if you guys want to steal them. So here we go. This is the absolute workhorse, the 2 bips spread on BTC market maker bot. We're doing $100 trade size, a 2 bip spread, max inventory 450, inventory skew 5 bips, and a refresh interval of 10 seconds. The kill switch and the hedge trigger, kill switch at 100 bips, and the hedge trigger is at 0.6. Absolutely amazing bot performance from this one over the last couple of days. It's continuously performing, so it's a real workhorse that we're going to be continuing to run. Okay, if we have a quick look at Extended, we can see that we've done $40,000 worth of volume, but what is really exciting is that the cost per 1 million has gone down further. Yesterday we were at roughly $133 per 1 million in volume. Currently we're sitting at $104 per 1 million. This is absolutely incredible. It's really good. And we got 436 fills, which is an improvement as well. So we can see that the bot is getting more and more efficient. It's filling more and more orders and less cancelled orders, which is also really good. Let's have a quick look at this bot performance. We can see so far today it's done 15,000 in volume for $2. And these are the bot configs. So here we have a slightly wider spread than on Paradex. Here we have a 4 bip spread, max inventory of 650, order refresh rate slightly bigger as well, so 15 rather than 10, inventory skew 5, kill switch at 100, hedge trigger at 0.6. Fantastic performance from this one as well. And then we're going to have a look at Pacifica. This is really interesting because we're making really good progress here. So over the last 24 hours on Pacifica, we've done $56,000 worth of volume, and we're currently sitting at a cost per 1 million in volume at $333, which is a bit too high. But here we can see the trend over the last couple of days. So we can see that on the 8th of December, we were at $580 in cost per 1 million in volume. On the 9th of December, we got that down slightly to $537. On the 10th of December, we got that down even further to $343. So that was yesterday. And during this, the 11th of December so far, so we got roughly 12 hours of data, we're sitting at a cost per 1 million in volume at $46. I'm not sure that we're going to be able to keep that throughout the day, but if we can be below 160, that is fantastic. If we can be below 100, that is extraordinary. So we're making progress. We can also see that the fills are getting better and better. So we're filling more and more orders, which means that the bot is essentially more and more efficient. This is exactly the type of trends that we really want to see. So let's have a quick look at the Pacifica bot so that you can steal the configs if you want to. So at Pacifica, we're doing an even wider spread. BTC is performing a little bit sort of like a mid-range token on Pacifica. So we have a wider spread. The max inventory, so the spread is 9 bips, max inventory is 500. The inventory skew is also a lot bigger. So we have a 50 bips inventory skew rather than 5. Order refresh rate, same as on extended, 15 seconds. The hedge trigger is slightly lower to protect ourselves against sort of really crazy volatility. So it's at 0.4 rather than 0.6. And the kill switch is the same. It's at 100 bips. Those are the configs if you want to steal them. And as you can see, we are doing incredible performance on Paradex. We're doing really, really good on extended. And the Pacifica one, over the last couple of days that we've been running these tests, we've been able to get better and better fills and a lower and lower cost per 1 million in volume. Really excited to see where this one is going to be in the next 24 hours. Follow us if you want to find out how to farm the Perp DEX in the most efficient way possible. Until tomorrow, all the best.